Brad Williams, XL Prime. How to round time to the nearest 15 minutes. This is straightforward. We've talked about the round function. We're also going to talk about the ceiling function. The M function, what we do, we want to round this. M round rounds down. So if we're rounding 1121, it's going to round this down. 1536, it rounds it down to 1530. 426, it rounds it up. Why is it rounding up or rounding down? It rounds to the nearest. And if you notice here, it rounds down here. It rounds down here, but it rounds up here. Why? If this was 425, it rounds to 430. But what if we go to 424? What we're looking at here is a midpoint. 15 minutes would be what? Would be 7 minutes either way. So if this is 1423, that's 8 minutes. And it still rolls to 430. But what if we're at 7 minutes? It rolls down. What do I mean? Okay, 415 to 430, there's 15 minutes in between, right? 422 is closer to 415 than it is than to 430. 423 is what? It's closer to 430 than it is to 415. That's the round feature using M round. Keep that in mind. Now, if this screws up your timing, then you can adjust this not using M round, but one of the other features. Now, you also have the ceiling function, and it rounds up. Ceiling, remember, ceiling is the height. So 1536 goes to 1145. 423 rolls up. Go to 422. Notice how this rolled down. The ceiling stayed at 430. 516, it rolls up to 530. 450 rolls up to 5. Let's go 346. See how it rolls up to 4? So anything over 345 will roll up. Let's go 345.01. And you can see even to the second, it'll roll up to 4 o'clock. Let's go 345, 59. Well, 340, anything over 345 rolls up. If we go 344, 59, and it rolls to 345. 15-minute increments, right? We can change this to wherever we want. But we went to 344.59 and it rolled to 345. If we change this to 345.01, it's going to roll up to 4. That's the difference, ceiling and M round.
Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.